Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. In this video, I would like to teach you chapter 2 sets. This is the part 2 video on sets. In this part 2, we are going to learn operations of sets. In this operations of sets, union of sets, interjection of sets, difference of sets, basic operations on sets. We know that arithmetic as operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers. Similarly, in sets, we define the operation of union, interjection and difference of sets. Let us learn one by one. First, union of sets. The sets containing the elements of A or B or both is called union of sets. The union of sets is denoted by the symbol U. We can write it symbolically A union B. Let us see one example. If A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B is equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then A union B, A union B, A union B is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, union set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have written elements of A and elements of B. Then set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this 2 is repeated, so that's why we have to write one time only. 4 also repeated. Next 6, 8, 10. So this is A union B. Next B union A. If there is any changes, we can identify. B union A. First we have to write B, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to write these elements in order without repeating. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. This is B union A. If we observe these two results, we can understand A union B is equal to B union A. So this is a commutative property in union of sets. Let us say few more examples. If A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then find A union A and A union 5. First A union A. A union A. Set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and union set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write these elements in order and also write one time only. Don't repeat. So that's why we can get to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we got A only. So A union A is equal to A only. Next A union 5. A union 5. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and empty set. So we can get these only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have observed A union 5 is equal to A only. Also 5 union A is equal to also A only. Let us see one more example. If A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, mu is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then A union mu, find A union mu and mu union A. First A union mu. A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 union mu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. So A union mu is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. So what we observed, if we find A union mu, we got mu only. A union mu is equal to mu. Next mu union A. Mu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Union A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. In this also we got mu only. So what we observed, mu union A is equal to mu only. Overall, A union mu is equal to mu union A. Mu union A is equal to mu only. Let us say set builder form of A union B and B union A. A union B set builder form. Set builder form of A union B is equal to x such that x belongs to A, x such that x belongs to A, or x belongs to B. Now B union A x such that x belongs to B or x belongs to A. So these are set builder form of A union B and B union A. Let us say Venn diagrams, union of sets on Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams. So here two sets A, B, these are intersecting. Mu A union B is equal to, I am shading horizontally, this A is shading horizontally, so A horizontally, B shading vertically, B shading vertically. So what is the result of A union B? A union B is equal to total shaded region, either horizontally or vertically or net shaped. This is the result of A union B. This is net shaped. On Venn diagrams, if A subset B means A is in B, then A horizontally, B vertically. So total shaded region is equal to, if A subset B, then A union B is equal to, we understood, B. Next, if B subset A means B is in A, this is B, this is in A is horizontally shaded, B is vertically shaded. This total shaded region is the A union B. So A union B is equal to, in this case, if B subset A, then we can get A only. Next, fourth, there are disjoint sets. There are disjoint sets like this. This is A, this is B horizontally, A is horizontally shaded, B is vertically shaded. Then if A and B are disjoint sets, then A union B is equal to this A union B only, A union B only, and next, if A is equal to B, if A is equal to B, this is A, B also on this only, then if A is equal to B, then A is equal to B is equal to A. These all are equal. Means total shaded region. Second one, intersection of sets. The set containing the common elements of A or B is called intersection of sets. The intersection of sets is denoted by the symbol ulta U. We can write it as symbolically A intersection B. Let us see few examples. If A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, B is equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, then find A intersection B, B intersection A. First, A intersection B, set of 1, 2, A set of 1, 2, 3, 4, B intersection B set of 2, 4, 6, 8. These two sets containing these only common elements 2, 4. 2 and 4 only common elements. So this is the A intersection B, 2 and 4. 2 and 4. This is A intersection B. Next, B intersection A. We have to find B intersection A. First, we have to write B 2, 4, 6, 8 intersection A set of 1, 2, 3, 4. In both the sets have these only common elements 2, 4, 2, 4. If we observed these two results, A intersection B and B intersection A, the results are same, 2, 4, 2, 4. So we can write A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Intersection of sets is satisfied commutative property. One more example. If A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and pi is equal to set of empty set only, then find A intersection pi intersection A. A intersection pi these two sets have no common elements, so we can get empty set, that means pi only. Next, this is pi, we can write pi intersection A, empty set intersection 1, 2, 3. These also have no common elements, that's why we can get the empty set means pi. What we observed, A intersection pi is equal to pi intersection A is equal to pi only. Let us say one more example. If A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and mu is equal to set of 1, 2, 3 and so on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Then find A intersection mu intersection A. First A intersection mu A 1, 2, 3 intersection mu 1, 2, 3 and so on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. But these two sets contain 1, 2, 3 only common elements, so that's why 1, 2, 3 is common. So what we got, this A only we got. Next, mu intersection A, mu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, intersection set of 1, 2, 3. What are common elements in these two sets? In this also 1, 2, 3 only common elements, 1, 2, 3. So what we observed, in this also we got the result A only. By observing these two results, we understood A intersection mu is equal to mu intersection A is equal to A only. Now let us say set builder form of A intersection B and B intersection A. A intersection B, we know the set containing the elements of the common elements of A and B is called A intersection B. That's why we can write X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. B intersection A, X such that X belongs to B and X belongs to A. These are set builder form for A intersection B and B intersection A. Now let us see Venn diagrams. Two sets are intersecting. A and B are intersecting like this. A intersection B. I am shading A, set A is horizontally, set B is vertically. So A is horizontally, B is vertically. Then the result, this net shaped shaded portion is the A intersection B, net shaped. Next, two sets. If A set is in B, means A subset B, means A is in B. This is A, this is B. A is shading horizontally, B is vertically. So the result is, then A intersection B is equal to that shaded net shaped shaded portion. Next, if B subset A, then A intersection B means B is in A. This is B, this is A. A is horizontally shaded, B is vertically shaded. In this also, the net shaped shaded portion is the result. Next, A and B are disjoint sets. A, B are disjoint sets. Means like this, no common portion, both the sets. So horizontally, vertically. This is A, this is B. Both the sets have no common portion. So that's why A intersection B is equal to 5. Next, if A is equal to B, then A, B horizontally, vertically. Then A intersection B is equal to all the shaded region. Next, third one, difference of sets. The set containing all the elements which is belongs to A but does not belongs to B is called difference of sets. The difference of sets is denoted by the symbol minus, or like this simple minus, and symbolically we can write A minus B. We can see set builder form for difference of sets. A minus B is equal to, this is a set builder form. A minus B is equal to X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. B minus A, X such that X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. This is the set builder form for A minus B and B minus A. Let us see few examples. If A is equal to set of 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to set of 2 4 6 8, then find A minus B and B minus A. First A minus B. A set of 1 2 3 4, B 2 4 6 8. One is in A but not in B, so we should write 1. 2 is in A and also in B, so that's why we don't write. Next 3 is in A but not in B, so we should write. 4 is in A and also in B, so we don't write that. 1 3. Next to B minus A, B 2 4 6 8, A 1 2 3 4, 2 is in B and also in A, so we don't write this. 4 is in B and also in A, that's why you don't write this. 6 8. By observing these two results, we can understood. What we understood? A minus B not is equal to B minus A. Not no commutative property under difference of sets. Let's say Venn diagrams for different subsets. Here we have two intersecting sets, A and B. A minus B. This is A. I am drawing horizontally. B is vertically. So this is A minus B. Only horizontal position shaded region is A minus B. Only horizontal shaded portion is A minus B. Next to B minus A, this is B minus A. Only vertically shaded portion, only vertically shaded portion is B minus A. This is A intersection B. We know. Intersection B. Net shaped region is A intersection B. So we can say about this Venn diagrams. A minus B, A intersection B, and B minus A are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. In this chapter, we have two formulas. Number of A union B. So number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. If A and B are disjoint sets, then A number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B only. This number of A, number of B is a cardinal number, means how many elements in this set. Cardinal number. Suppose this is A, this is B. In this number of A, 3 elements, 1, 2, sorry, this is A. Number of A is equal to 3. Number of B is equal to also 3. Number of B is equal to also 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 5. So number of B is equal to also 3 elements. So the number of elements in set is called cardinal number. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you immediately subscribe to get my latest updates, and also share it to your friends.